Hey everyone, here is how I made this little silk ribbon butterfly. It's super easy and great for a beginner silk ribbon embroidery design. So I start with the wings of the butterfly. I make each small wing first, and as you can see, I sort of just place the ribbon to see how it's going to look, and that helps me to place my needle in the right spot. You want to avoid pulling silk. Yeah, Henry. He's helping with this voiceover. You want to avoid pulling silk ribbon out since it does leave a large hole in your fabric that is hard to heal. So once I was done with those two wings, then I can move on to the larger wings. And I did those larger bottom wings in the same manner. If your ribbon gets twisted, just give it some length and use your fingers to untwist it until it lays nicely on that fabric. So this might just be me, but I find it difficult to tie silk ribbon off, especially when I'm trying to keep some fluff, if you will, into the ribbon. Like, I don't want it just to be taut onto my fabric. I want it to have a little bit of body. So basically, I don't want the wings to lay completely flush to the fabric. So instead of tying a knot to the back to secure my work, I'm going to cut the ribbon and then come back with some thread and secure it down that way instead. I'm taking my thread behind a wing so you can't see it from the front and going through it again. Yeah, he is talkative today, to create a loop. And I'm going through that loop twice. And then I pull that tight to secure that tail down. Then I moved on to the body of the butterfly. I make the main part of the body with one long stitch, and then I make the smaller stitch for that neck area. I don't know what you call it, but that top part, you know. And then a little French knot for the head. Man, he is talking. And since I want the French knot to be flush with the fabric, I'm going to tie this ribbon off using itself as opposed to the thread trick that I just showed above to secure the pink ribbon down. So instead, I just wrap the ribbon around itself, making sure to hold on to the ribbon and then secure that knot down. And finally, I made the antennas. To do this, I took, so sorry. I took one strand of black embroidery floss. I tied on with that same loop trick from before and then came up to the right side of my work. I made an antenna using one stitch and then topped it off with a French knot. And then I just repeat the same thing to the other side. And there you have it. Yeah, Henry, there you have it. A simple little silk ribbon butterfly. I hope this video was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And as always, guys, we appreciate y'all for watching and hope to catch y'all next time.